So, good morning, all of you. Today, we are going to tangent and normal CET classes. So, it is very, very important for the CET level as well as theory level, and it is very useful chapter. So, how to find the tangent and normal? So, I have given some synopsis. Firstly, we have to learn tangent line. Let y is equal to f of x be a continuous curve on real numbers. Let p is equal to x comma y is any point on the curve. If a line touches at a single point to the curve y is equal to f of x, which is called tangent line, and this point is called point of contact. So, what is the point of contact? The point of intersection of tangent line and curve is called point of contact. We studied in theory classes, so just I explain. So, what is the normal line? So, this is called normal line. What is the meaning of normal line? A line which is passing through the point of contact and perpendicular to tangent line. So, here perpendicular to tangent line and passing through point of contact, must passes through point of contact, is called normal line. So, to solve the questions in tangent and normals, so the minimum concepts should be learned. You remember these points. What is the slope of a tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at any point on the curve? To find the slope of the curve at any point is dy by dx at the point P. Dy by dx at the point P. It is denoted by shortly, sweetly, letter M. And also the slope of the tangent line at any point on the curve y is equal to f of x is also called gradient of the curve. So, gradient of the curve is equal to slope of a tangent. Remember, this is the another name. So, slope of the tangent at any point on the curve is also called gradient of the curve. Okay, now students, I hope that you understand these 2 points. If slope is equal to 0, what happen? This tangent always parallel to x-axis. So, in this case, the tangent line is called horizontal tangent. What do you call in this case? Tangent line is called horizontal tangent. Remember, on x-axis, slope will be 0. If slope is infinity, either infinity or minus infinity, then tangent line is perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to tangent, what do you call? Normal line. So, remember all of you, in this case, the tangent is called vertical tangent. Vertical tangent. Next point, if m is a slope of the tangent line, what is the normal slope of a line? So normal slope is equal to, just we are writing initially minus symbol and reverse 1 upon m. Minus 1 upon m. All of you remember, slope of a normal is equal to minus 1 divided by m, or perpendicular slope. It is also called perpendicular slope. If m is a slope, then perpendicular slope is equal to minus 1 divided by m. Slope of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we studied in the first PUC. What is the slope of a straight line? Minus x coefficient upon y coefficient. Minus x coefficient upon y coefficient, minus a divided by b. Next point, so you remember what is the equation of a tangent. So do you remember this one? Have noted this one? Fastly note this one. All of you remember, slope of a tangent at any point on the curve, y is equal to f of x. It is very important formula. Curve point given, we should use this formula. And slope equal to 0. So tangent is always parallel to x-axis. It is important bit. If slope is undefined, tangent line perpendicular to x-axis. So if m is a slope, then normal slope is equal to minus 1 by m. Slope of a straight line is equal to minus a divided by b. Now next continue concept, that is continue point, equation of a tangent line. Equation of a tangent line is, just you remember formula studied in theory, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the m? M is equal to slope dy by dx at any point p. And then equation of a normal. Equation of a normal line. Equation of a normal line is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. So you remember, these are the synopsis. First part of a tangent line and normal. Then second part, angle between two tangents. That is later we have to finish. Before that, based on this, we have to solve the questions also. Do you remember this? All of you remember these points. Now I am going to the problems in tangent and normals. NCERT examples and important questions, how to solve. Let us see one by one. So the question is, question form. The slope of the normal to the curve xy square is equal to 4 at the point 1 comma minus 2 is. So this is the question. So read the problem, very simple. What he is asking? Slope of the normal. Just now we finished a formula. If m is a slope of the tangent, then slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 divided by m. So this model. So how to solve this problem? Take the given curve, given x into y square is equal to 4 and given point p is equal to 1 comma minus 2. So to find the slope for a curve, what to do? We are applying differentiation method. So observing how many terms are there? 2 terms. In between, what is the symbol? Into. So which rule is applicable? Do you know that? Yes. What is the rule here? Product rule. Applying product rule. So what is the product rule? First function as it is, differentiation of second function, that is 2y square into dy by dx, plus second function as it is, differentiation of first function is 1. So this is called product rule. We know all of you. First function as it is, derivative of second function, plus second function as it is, derivative of first function is called product rule. So derivative of constant is 0. Now simplifying, plus y square, taking this side, we get a minus y square. Hereafter, so 2y, this is, derivative is 2y. So taking this side, so dy by dx is equal to minus y square divided by 2xy. It is also is equal to minus y divided by 2x. Y get cancelled. So we got dy by dx. So what actually is slope? Slope is equal to, slope denoted by m. Dy by dx at which point? The point is 1 comma minus 2. Substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. That is minus of minus 2 divided by 2 into 1. So here 2 get cancelled, minus into minus plus 1. So slope of a tangent line is equal to 1. Is it our answer? No. Why? Because he asked in the problem slope of the normal. So slope of the normal is equal to slope of the normal, that is equal to minus 1 divided by m. This is equal to minus 1 by 1, minus 1. So this is our answer. So slope of the normal, this is the formula. Slope of the tangent, this is the formula. So you can find out any question like this. I hope you understand this problem. Okay, na? Next question. Let us see one more problem. Second problem. The slope of the normal to the curve. The slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a bracket theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a bracket 1 minus cos theta at theta is equal to pi by 2 is. This is the question. So what is the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a bracket theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a bracket 1 minus cos theta at theta equal to pi by 2. Observing, these are called, what do you call here? We studied in the differentiation. These are involved in terms of theta. Hence, these are called parametric equations. If parametric equations given, how to find the derivative dy by dx? We know that dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So, we know the concept. So, we should find out here also same method. So, what is the x is equal to a of theta minus sin theta. These are called parametric equations. In terms of theta given means apply the differentiation with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta is equal to, a is a constant, take as same number, bracket, differentiation of theta is with respect to theta 1 minus differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. This is the dx by d theta, and also y is equal to given parametric equation a bracket 1 minus cos theta. Apply the differentiation with respect to theta, dy by d theta is equal to a bracket derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, already minus is there, becomes plus. So, we got dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Now, we have to calculate dy by dx is equal to, I can write this value in terms of theta, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. This is equal to dy by d theta, we got a sin theta divided by, we got dx by d theta a bracket 1 minus cos theta. So, this is a get cancelled. So, slope find out. So, we got dy by dx is equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now, slope of the tangent. Slope m is equal to dy by dx at what value? Theta is equal to pi by 2. Substitute here sin 90. We know all of you trigonometric values. Remember everyone, very very important. We study only in first year trigonometry chapter, not in other classes. But you remember all values. It is very useful throughout our mathematics. Not only in mathematics, in physics also very useful this chapter. So theta is equal to pi by 2, substitute here, sin 90, we know that 1 divided by 1 minus cos 90 is 0, so it becomes 1. We got slope of the tangent line is equal to 1, but we required slope of the normal. Therefore, slope of the normal is equal to, we know the formula. First we take minus symbol and reciprocal. That it becomes minus 1. Therefore, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1. So this is the procedure to find the slope of the tangent or normal. Either curve or parametric equations are given. When parametric equations are given, we follow this method. So do yourself these model questions. I will give the homework to you. Take the homework problem. Now we are going to homework problem. The slope of the normal to the curve. Note down all of you this problem. The slope of the normal to the curve, x is equal to a bracket of t plus sin t and y is equal to a bracket of t minus sin t is. So this is the homework problem. These are called parametric equations. Find the dx by dt and dy by dt. Then dy by dx is equal to, we should write in terms of t, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Slope here find out. And next slope of the normal. Do you want Okay, I will solve this question. See here, very simple model questions these are. So x is equal to given number a bracket of t plus sin t. This is the parametric form. Differentiating with respect to t. Dx by dt equals a bracket of 1 plus derivative of sin t is cos t, we know. And also you take second equation, y is equal to a bracket of t minus sin t. Apply the again differentiation with respect to t. We get dy by dt is equal to a bracket of 1 minus derivative of sin t cos t. Now calculate dy by dx in terms of t. How should I write? I write this number dy by dt upon dx by dt. It will be a bracket of 1 minus cos t divided by a bracket of 1 plus cos t. A get cancelled. And this is equal to 1 minus cos t formula. We know that 2 sin square t by 2, theta by 2. All of you remember trigonometry formulas. 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. So you studied all these formulas. We know 1 minus half angle formula, 2 sin square theta by 2 Okay. 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2. So this is the off angle formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. This is the multiple angle formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta. So keep in your mind these trigonometry formulas every time. Now this is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square t by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. We got sin by cos tan square t by 2. But what he is asking? Slope of the normal. This is the slope of the tangent line. So slope of the tangent is equal to slope m is equal to dy by dx. At any point, point means we take here x and y coordinates. At any point is equal to, we got tan square t by 2. Slope of the normal we want. Slope of the normal is equal to, we know the formula, minus 1 upon tan square t by 2. This equals 1 by tan cot minus cot square of t by 2. So we do it all type of questions like this. Slope model, any problem is given for slope, so we should apply either in parametric form or general forms given. Now after this we are going to equation of the tangent. How to find equation of the tangent, equation of the normal? Let us see. According to concept, today we are discussing only equation of the tangent, equation of the normal, slope of the tangent, slope of the normal models. So the equation of the tangent question is, the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x raised to 3 minus 2x plus 7 at the point 1,6 is. So to find the equation of the tangent, what are the required conditions? Important. We need necessarily 2 conditions are required. The first one point, second one will be slope. In the problem, in between 2 conditions, observe that here which condition is given here, which condition is not given. The condition 1, point is given. Which is not given? Slope is not given. Instead of slope, what he has given? Curve given. If curve is there, while curve has given, can you find out slope of the tangent? Yes. How to find out? Differentiation, dy by dx. So take the given curve. So given curve is y is equal to x cube minus 2x plus 7. This is the given curve. What is the point? Let us take P 1 comma 6. Now find the differentiation. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to x. So derivative find out. Derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of 2x will be 2, derivative of constant is 0. So we got dy by dx. Now slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, we know the formula denoted by m is equal to dy by dx at the point P. What is the point P here? 1 comma 6. Substitute 1 comma 6 here. So that is 3 into 1 whole square minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We got slope of the tangent, but the question is equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent is, we know the formula given just now, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the x1, this is the y1. Substitute the points. Y minus y1 is 6 is equal to, we got slope 1, x minus x1 will be 1. Simplify, this is our answer. Simplify. Y minus 6 is equal to x minus 1. And taking all terms that side, x minus y minus 6 means plus 6 minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. It is called required equation of the tangent line. Suppose find the equation of the normal. Same model, so formula will be changed. What is the normal slope? Minus 1 divided by m. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 divided by m into x minus x1. Using that formula, we have to find equation of the normal line. If you want one question, see the equation of the normal also. So do you solve like the questions? Okay, try all of you this model. So here I am writing homework question. Do yourself. The equation of the tangent to the curve. I will give the curve here. 6y is equal to 7 minus x cube at the point 1 comma 1 is. So same model question. So do yourself, this is the homework. What to do here? Take the curve and point, find the differentiation with respect to x, find the slope of the tangent, next equation of the tangent. Now I will solve the one more question. Equation of the normal to the curve. So next question, I will go to the next question. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y raised to 4 is equal to a into x raised to 3 at the point a comma a is. So at this point find the equation of the normal. So how to find equation of the normal? What are the required to find the equation of the normal? We need here slope and point. Here which condition is given? Point is given. Which is not given? Slope not given. So we have to find slope, same as it is above model. Little changed only. Ax cube at the point a comma a. So given curve is y raised to 4 is equal to a into x raised to 3. Consider point as p, a comma a, x1 y1, this is remember. Always keep in your mind, no need to write x1 y1 is equal to a comma a. Just keep in your mind, we can easily understand. Now apply the differentiation with respect to x. Derivative of y raised to 4. 4 y raised to 3 into dy by dx is equal to 3a x raised to 2 x square. Sending this side, we got dy by dx value. Dy by dx is equal to 3a x square divided by 4y raised to 3. Now slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to, so always you remember this formula, m is equal to, for any curve, slope of the tangent at any point is dy by dx at the point p. Which point here? A comma a. Now substitute here. This is equal to 3a x value a square divided by 4 a raised to 3. So observing a raised to 3 get cancelled. Slope of the tangent will be 3 divided by 4. We got slope of the tangent is equal to 3 by 4. Now what is finding? Equation of the normal. So equation of the normal is, do you know the formula? What is the formula here? Equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Simplify. Y minus a is equal to minus 1 divided by m. What is the m? 3 by 4. So ulta one fraction, that is, it becomes what? Ulta what means 4 by 3. Bracket x minus x1 is a. M is equal to 3 by 4. Minus 1 by m is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Now cross multiplying. 3y minus 3a. So here oreganokaram multiplying. 3y minus 3a is equal to minus 4x plus 4a. All terms Togori here, Togori all terms here. Minus 4x means plus 4x plus 3y minus 7a is equal to 0. So this is called equation of the normal line. So like we have to find equation of the tangent, equation of the normal, slope of the tangent, slope of the normal. Little conditions are given sometimes. Just we have to use some more conditions. I hope that you may understand. Okay, now students. So remember all of you how to find equation of the tangent, equation of the normal. So now we are going to the with condition problems. Some conditions are given, how to solve. See, the problem is the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x plus 4 divided by x square, that is parallel to the x-axis is. So this is the question. Conditions are given. The equation of the tangent, asking what? Find the equation of the tangent. To find the equation of the tangent, what are the necessary conditions? We know very well. One is a slope, one is a point. Here in this problem, slope is given. Yes. Where? So tangent line is parallel to x-axis. So I have given one important. If slope is equal to 0, then what? Tangent line is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis meaning what? Slope will be 0. So point, is there given point? Not given. But according to data, we should find out the point here. In above questions, point given, slope we found there. But here slope given, find the points. So reverse, just only changed condition. See the problem. So given curve y is equal to x plus 4 divided by x square. This is the given curve. And also given slope given. Slope m is equal to 0. Why? Because parallel to x-axis. On x-axis, slope is equal to 0. So this slope of the tangent will be parallel to slope of this one. So m1 is equal to m2 meaning. So find the differentiation here at any point. Dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x square equal to minus 2 divided by x cube. 2 into 4 minus 8 divided by x cube. Now slope of the tangent. What is the slope of the tangent formula? Dy by dx at any point. M is equal to dy by dx at any point x comma y, or we take x1 comma y1, whatever it is. I take the general point x comma y. This is equal to what? 1 minus 8 divided by x cube. But here this slope parallel to which one? X-axis. So when two lines are parallel, what is the condition we studied in the first year? So if two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2. So since 1 minus 8 divided by x cube is equal to 0, so 1 is equal to 8 upon x cube. So x cube is equal to 8. From this x is what? 2. If you know the x value, can you find out y? Yes. From where? From the curve. So if x is equal to 2, so then y is equal to what? 2 plus 4 divided by 2 square, 4. This is equal to 3. Therefore, point becomes required point 2 comma 3. Now, do you get here point? Yes. So, we know the slope and point. Finally, what he is asking? What is asking? Equation of the tangent. We know that equation of the tangent formula. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the common formula always. Substitute the values. Y1, y minus 3 is equal to slope is 0, x minus 2. Answer y minus 3 is equal to 0 or else y is equal to 3. So, this is our equation of the tangent. So, what is the equation of the tangent? Y is equal to 3. If not given point, how to find the point? This is the procedure. Slope compulsory. So, here we need actually two conditions. Between two conditions, one of the conditions should be given always. One is given, other one we should find out according to problem. Take the curve, differentiation, find the slope of the tangent. But this tangent is parallel to x-axis. On x-axis, slope is equal to 0. So, these two represent same lines. That means slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2, parallel condition. Apply that, we get x is equal to 2. How to find y value? From the given curve. So, we got point is 2 comma 3. Now, we got its slope and point. We can easily find out equation of the tangent. If you want equation of the normal, to find the equation of the normal, what to do? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 divided by m into x minus x1. So, like condition problems also very important. Remember all of you. Next one. So, next question, he asked a point model. Just what is the point on the curve? Same model, almost all. Do you understand this question? Are you okay now? Okay, let us see. The next problem is the point on the curve on the curve y square is equal to 2x cube the tangent at which is perpendicular to the line 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is. So, what is the point on the curve? Suppose here 4 options are given. So, one method, this is the very simple method, 2 comma 4. Option number 2, 1 comma root 2. Option number 3, 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Option number 4, 1 by 8 comma 1 by 16. So, like the questions are asking. So, how to find the point on the curve? So here among 4 options, by observation we are doing the one method. By observation meaning what? Substitute the point at which point. So point on the curve is these points, our required point must lies on the curve, satisfied the curve. Suppose here, okay, this method very easy. So this is the verification method, by verification method. Through verification method we are getting one method. Firstly we have to solve the general concept. So general concept, observe that here. What required point means here, given curve take. What is the given curve? Given curve is y square is equal to 2x cube and slope of this line, slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to formula minus a divided by b. Minus 4 divided by minus 3 becomes 4 divided by 3. So this is the slope. Now here differentiation, find slope of the curve, find out. 2y dy by dx is equal to 6x square, or dy by dx is equal to 6x square meaning 3x square divided by y. Now slope at any point, slope of tangent, slope m is equal to dy by dx. If you take this is m2, this is already given m1. Dy by dx at the point, any point x comma y is equal to 3x square divided by y. Now we are observing our tangent line and a given line. Both are what? So condition is what? Perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, what is the condition? Product of slopes is equal to -1. We know very well this condition. Okay na? So since m1 into m2 is equal to -1. In the above problem, what is the given? Slopes are equal. Parallel means slopes are equal. Perpendicular meaning product is equal to -1. Okay, remember all of you these conditions. m1, what is the m1? 4 divided by 3 into, what is the m2? 3x square divided by y is equal to -1. Both here 3 get cancelled. So y is equal to, or 4x square equal to minus y, or y is equal to minus 4x square. So we got y value. Now substitute in which one? Curve only. Substitute in the curve. If I take as equation number 1, substitute in 1, y is equal to minus 4x square whole square is equal to 2x cube. Simplify, it becomes 16x x raised to 4 minus 2x cube is equal to 0. Now simplify this answer. So what is the common value? 2x cube. Taking 2x cube common, x minus 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this 2x cube is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, or 8x minus 1 equal to 0 meaning x is equal to 1 by 8. So either x equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 8. So we got x coordinates. Now find the y coordinate. If x equal to 0, shall we find out y? Very easy to find out y value. Either here or whatever it is. If x is equal to 0, What is the y coordinate from the given curve? Y also should be 0. So then what is the point here? 0, 0. Is there in our option? No. Second condition, if x is equal to 1 by 8, what is the y value? Substitute here. Y square is equal to 2 times of 1 by 8 whole cube. That is 1 by 8 into 8 into 8. Here it goes 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja cancelled. So this becomes